What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, where today we are going to discuss the best 5 entry-level DSLRs according to their performance, budget, value, and more. Check out the description for the latest prices and information. Best overall, Canon EOS Rebel T8i. At first we have the Canon EOS Rebel T8i. This Canon's EOS Rebel T8i is the best entry-level DSLR you can get on the market today. By design, it comes compact and lightweight, featuring a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, Digic 8 image processor, and an ISO range of 100 to 25,600 expandable will make it the most advanced EOS Rebel yet, delivering the high-quality performance that kicks your photos and videos up a notch. It can shoot up to 7 frames per second, capturing sports, wildlife, or anything unpredictable with practically no time wasted. While its eye detection AF can analyze the image and automatically determine where to focus based on your subject's eyes, helping you capture portraits, once-in-a-lifetime moments, and more in sharp detail. This EOS Rebel T8i is easy to operate, as you can simply turn the quick control dial to change camera settings. And finally, for the connectivity, its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will enable easy connectivity for file transfer, image sharing, and more. Best for video, Canon EOS Rebel SL3. Next is Canon EOS Rebel SL3. This Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is the smallest and lightest EOS DSLR camera you can get on the market. By design, it has a compact construction accompanied by excellent usability, including a round grip that can sit comfortably in your hand. And when it comes to its sensor, it features a powerful 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor that can capture high-resolution images and amazing 4K video. With its dual-pixel CMOS AF, you can get fast and accurate autofocus that helps you get the photo you want right as the moment happens. And in addition to that, you can also get an expansive focus area of approximately 88% horizontal and 100% vertical when working with select compatible EF lenses. Its eye detection AF will analyze the image and automatically determines where to focus based on your subject's eyes. And finally, for the screen, it houses a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD that can be used for composing and reviewing your photos, including selfies. While for connectivity, it's designed to make connecting to a Wi-Fi network fast and easy. Easy to use, Nikon D3500. Next up, we have the Nikon D3500. This D3500 from Nikon is the easiest to use point-and-shoot camera that can take beautiful DSLR photos and videos. By design, its redesigned body is more compact, lightweight, and has almost all of the rear controls on the right side of the grip for easier one-handed control. It retains the same effective 24.2 megapixel count as its predecessor Nikon D3400, along with a newer sensor, and closer inspection of the specs shows that the total count on the D3500 sensor stands at 24.78 megapixels. You won't get 4K video compatibility with this DSLR, but it can shoot in full HD 1920 by 1080 video at up to 60 to 50 frames per second. And during recording, full-time autofocus can be employed, with face detection and subject tracking capabilities for ensured sharpness with a wide variety of subject types. Its built-in monaural microphone can be used to record high-quality sound during movie recording. And now for the LCD, it houses a rear 3.0-inch 921K dot LCD for a large bright means for image playback, live view shooting, or menu navigation. In addition to that, this D3500 also adds a helpful guide mode to get specific photographic looks or techniques, like how to produce a shallow depth of field imagery in a helpful step-by-step manner, while additional 10 different special effects are available in camera to creatively refine the look of both stills and movies. Best for travel, Nikon D5600. Next is Nikon D5600. This D5600 is a compact and sleek DSLR that blends multimedia imaging capabilities with versatile wireless technology. Starting with its sensor, its 24.2 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor and XSpeed 4 processor combines to produce overall high image quality with amazing detail, dynamic range, color accuracy, and low light sensitivity to ISO 25600. And when it comes to its recording, you will get full HD 1920 by 1080p movie recordings supported in 60, 30, 25, and 24 frames per second frame rates, as well as HD 720p and SD 480p in multiple frame rates in the MPEG-4 AVC H.264 format. You can use its rear 3.2-inch touchscreen LCD as an intuitive means for navigating settings menu, playback, and shooting in live view. And in addition to that, this screen also uses a vari-angle design to benefit while working from high, low, and front-facing angles. Finally, SnapBridge is also featured, so you can utilize Bluetooth low-energy technology for wireless sharing of photos to your mobile device, while Wi-Fi with NFC can be used for larger file transfers, such as movies to a linked device. Best value: Nikon D5300. Lastly, we have the Nikon D5300. This Nikon D5300 is a compact yet durable camera on a budget. Its DX format 24.2 megapixel sensor with XSpeed 4 image processor can produce high-resolution images and full HD video with notable low light sensitivity to ISO 12800 and a fast continuous shooting rate of 5 frames per second. Featuring a sensor design, it can omit the traditional optical low-pass filter to gain the utmost sharpness and resolution from both videos and photos. And in addition to that, a 1920 by 1080p movie recording is also supported in multiple frame rates up to 60 frames per second with full-time continuous autofocusing capabilities. Now, coming to its LCD monitor, even while maintaining an overall compact form factor, D5300 houses a large 3.2-inch LCD monitor with a 180-degree swivel design to benefit while working in high, low, and front-facing angles. And finally, for connectivity, it features both built-in Wi-Fi and GPS modules to enable seamless transferring of imagery as well as geotagging functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.